What's going on? This is O from CLO Ed TV. Today we're going to learn about logos. Let's get to the video. So I guess the best place to start is to talk about what exactly is a logo. Well, in simple terms, a logo is a mark that represents or symbolizes something. It could be a placeholder or an image that is related to a company or a person, place, or thing. I could talk about logo design throughout the video, but let's do an investigation to see what we can find about logo design itself. During ancient times, people used any tools available or the most relevant technology at that time to actually make these carvings or markings to identify ownership or a location to help people understand where they are or what the purpose of an item was. There's many different ways to think about how you're going to make your marking. Logos can be stamped, they can be etched, they can be used with a stencil, they can be digital. It all depends on how you want to make your impression on what your logo should look like. When you're considering logo design, you got to think about who the logo is communicating with, what colors you're going to use, and the style. For example, come over here this way. For example, on this logo, we have a basic word mark here with a W and an M flipped upside down, and then added general colors, usually green, to signify what it's used for. Sometimes your logos will be a moving target, such as this van over here. First thing you want to consider is the form of the logo. What is the actual shape of the logo? Is it more organic, or does it have more geometric sharp corners and points? You have to consider the actual form and design of the logo first. Typically, logo designers and graphic designers will start off with a black and white variation of that logo. That way you can just understand the shape, and then it moves on to another step to add color and other effects. Once you have the basic form of the logo down, the next thing to consider is where that logo is going to be. Is your logo going to be a moving target? For example, branding on a vehicle that's going to be seen around a city has to be simplified, whereas maybe a logo for a location can be more intricate. It can be seen from a distance and it's in one stationary place. So understanding the actual location of where that logo is going to be presented also affects your logo design. The last but not least important thing to consider in logos is the overall meaning and impression of that logo. When someone looks at a logo, it is an identifying marker. We'll give an example. Nike. Nike's swoosh logo is identifiable in various language because that symbol has been popularized and meaning has been poured into the logo. So by doing that, just by seeing that logo signifies a brand and signifies a level of quality. So understand that with your branding, you want to make sure that your logo has meaning and intent. All right, we're going to wrap this video up, but before we do, be sure to visit www.clolearnshop.com. There you'll find merchandise, and you can also support in the About page. If you would like to donate for future projects, click on the link below in the description and it will take you straight to the website. Also like, share, comment, and subscribe for other future videos. Be sure to tune into our next video where we're actually going to use free software to create our first logo on the channel. Remember this, you may fail 99 times, but it only takes one win. I'll be seeing you on the next video.